Canada PR process. Canada's PR process allows foreign nationals to live and work in Canada permanently. There are several pathways, including Express Entry, Provincial Nominee Program, PNP, and Family Sponsorship. Express Entry is a points-based system, evaluating age, education, work experience, and language proficiency. Candidates create an online profile and are placed in the Express Entry pool. Regular draws invite the highest-ranking candidates to apply for PR. The Provincial Nominee Program allows provinces to nominate candidates with skills in demand. Candidates must apply directly to the province or territory of interest. Family sponsorship permits Canadian citizens or PR holders to sponsor eligible family members. Spouses, common-law partners, parents, and dependent children are eligible for sponsorship. Start the process by determining eligibility and gathering required documents. Express Entry applicants must complete an Educational Credential Assessment, ESA. Language proficiency tests, like IELTS or CELPIP, are mandatory for most programs. Calculate Comprehensive Ranking System, CRS, points to assess chances of receiving a NETA. Candidates may improve their CRS score through provincial nominations or job offers. Express Entry ETAs allow 60 days to submit a complete PR application. Include all supporting documents and complete medical and security checks. Provincial Nominee Program applicants follow specific guidelines set by the chosen province. If nominated, applicants receive a provincial nomination certificate to apply for PR. Family sponsorship requires demonstrating the relationship's authenticity. Submit the sponsorship application and the sponsored person's PR application together. Processing times vary depending on the program and applicant's circumstances. Ensure accurate and complete documentation to avoid delays or rejection. Engaging a licensed immigration representative can assist in the process. Stay updated on changes to immigration rules and regulations. Once PR is granted, enjoy the benefits of living in a diverse and welcoming country. Maintain eligibility for PR by meeting residency and other requirements. After a certain period of residency, PR holders can apply for Canadian citizenship. Canadian citizenship offers additional rights and privileges, including voting rights. Embrace the opportunities and responsibilities that come with Canadian permanent residency. Plan for a successful transition to life in Canada and contribute to the country's growth and prosperity. Contact Goal Abroad Consultancy +91 -9392583054, info@Goal Abroad for more updates and services.